Suds, where are you? Suds, we plan to go on the Purple Island to swim. I have to go look for her. I was supposed to meet Shambi here at Purple Island. That's what we planned. We were going to go swimming here. I can't find her anywhere. Where is Shambi? I'm going to go look for her. Oh, Suds, I can't find her. Suds! What took you so long? What took you so long? Whatever. Okay. Woohoo! Come on in, Suds. The water's amazing. It's amazing. So nice. I'm gonna dive. Woo! Perfect. It's a beautiful day out, right? Yeah. See us in part 2. We're going to be doing something really fun. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Hey!